A little bit more.
Look at the size of this. This isn't just a prawn. It's a black tiger prawn. It's almost as big as my arm. Today I'm cooking it simple. Butter, garlic, and a little seasoning. And let the prawn do the talking. I'm butterflying the prawns so they cook evenly and hold more flavor. I'll make sure I clean the inside. I'll start by putting my butter in a bowl. Put all the spices in, the seafood seasoning, the Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, and lastly my ground white pepper, and squeeze some lemon in. Now chop my parsley, put together with the butter. I'll season my prawn with salt and pepper. I'll put in some garlic. Lots of garlic. Mix together. Make sure everything is mixed together. Apply generously onto the prawns. And voila, all buttered up and straight in the oven. As usual, our little ritual. Today we're making some tea again. Cloves and cinnamon sticks. I love the combination. Now I put in some garlic bread just to eat with the prawns. My tea is ready. Oh, smells good. Squeeze in some lemon for flavor. I'm always looking forward to my teas every day. This is just good. Now my prawns are ready. Wow, looks good. Just put some little bit of oil on top for that juiciness. Now it's time to test. Another sip before we test. This is juicy. This is juicy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.